Here we go, every man for himself. Fatal five-way matchup. Jericho and Owens go right after Seth Rollins. Of course, Owens and Rollins with a long-standing rivalry the past few months. Now Jericho gets involved. And this leaves Braun and Roman in the ring. Got our own fantasy matchup right here tonight.
There aren't too many men on the planet that make the big dog look like an insignificant little puppy. Braun Strowman is that massive.
Look at Owens and Jericho, who were recruiting Braun Strowman to their team earlier, and that's what he has to say about that.
Didn't work earlier, guys. Why try it again?
Now Rollins again going at it outside the ring. Remember, fatal five-way match. First man to gain pinfall or submission wins. No disqualification, no countouts. Hence the reason for all the battles going on outside the ring.
That elbow to the throat from Strowman to Jericho might make Fozzy have to cancel their download tour this